In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update data using Firebase Realtime Database. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the Firebase console and how to safely change a value without disrupting other parts of your data. Start by opening the Firebase console and signing in with the Google account tied to your project. On the project landing page, make sure you've selected the correct project, especially if you manage multiple environments like development and production. Choosing the right one here ensures you're editing the intended database. On the left-hand navigation, open the Build section. This menu groups together the tools you use to develop and manage your app's backend, and it's where real-time database lives. If you also use Firestore, double-check you're selecting the real-time database option since the two products have different consoles and data models. Once you're in real-time database, switch to the Data tab. This view shows your database as a live, hierarchical tree similar to a JSON structure. You can expand and collapse nodes to reveal nested keys and values. The Data tab is read-write, so anything you change here will immediately update for connected clients, which is powerful, but also a reason to proceed carefully. Navigate through the tree to find the exact item you want to update. Expand folders using the arrows until you land on the key and value you intend to modify. Take a moment to confirm the path is correct. Updating a parent node can overwrite a large section of data, so it's safer to adjust just the specific child key you need. When you've highlighted the right item, open the drop-down menu next to it. From the options, choose the edit action for that value. You'll see the field become editable. Change the content to the new value you want. Keep data types in mind. Strings should remain quoted, numbers should not be quoted, and booleans should be true or false. If you only need to adjust one property inside an object, expand the object and edit the individual child instead of replacing the entire object. Confirm your change by pressing Enter or selecting the checkmark to save. Your update should appear immediately in the tree. If you run into a permissions message, your database rules may be preventing the write. In that case, verify that your authenticated role has the right access before trying again. That's all there is to it. Open the console, head to Build, choose Real-Time Database, use the Data tab, locate the exact key, and edit it from the dropdown. With these steps, you can confidently update data while keeping your structure intact.